That's a keeper for sure. Beautiful day here at North Packery. Well, it didn't start off so beautiful, but it's lunchtime and this water just cleared up and it looks really nice. I came out here early at sunup. It was brown. This water changed so fast. So beautiful now. I got a couple shrimps, guys. Let's get out there and see what we get. I want to try to get me a flounder here, guys. The water looks really good. It's outgoing really well. Nice color. Bringing up a jig with some gulp. Try to get some flounder while I make my way down to the end.
Really want to get through there.
Alright folks, before I get more into this video, I wanted to show you what rig I was using for these vandals. Alright, so I had a 1 ounce egg weight, my main line, swivel, 40-pound fluoro, and a size 3/0 octopus J-hook. Now y'all can use a size bigger, guys, or smaller. Generally a lot of folks like to use a smaller hook, but right now, at this time of season, there's a lot of smaller sheepheads out there on the rocks, and y'all don't want to be gut hooking any smaller fish, guys. We want to keep those little guys alive. So I like to use a size 3 octo J hook, and it gets the hook right there on the side of their mouth, guys. Any smaller, you're going to be gut hooking. Size 3, 4, and 5 generally work for me. 3 and 4 is perfect. All right, let's get back to the video. It's a small shrimp on a little size 3/0 hook, 1 ounce egg weight. I think that was a sheeper. I think they're out there, guys. Let me try to hook my shrimp a little differently this time. Go. Not smoking. What the heck? That's why they call them vandals, guys. Dang vandals. They're looking the same. Out there. Another one. Oh, sheepshead fishing. This one looks like a baby, but they fight. Are they crunching down? Chomp, 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 chomp. Once I let my hook go, that worked out. I had to hook the shrimp a little differently so that way they wouldn't vandalize me. I kind of like worked the shrimp onto the hook so that way they had to eat the hook entirely. Gone. This is what I mean. Shrimp. I'm gonna work it onto the hook. Another one right there. Oh, got away. Dang. This is a smaller one. Got away from me. Had to retie. That guy was sitting right on the other side of the rock. So when I set the hook, I set the hook on a rock also. Brought him up and he spit the hook. Let's get another shrimp and let's get out there. And work it on the hook like I said. Super maybe? Ooh. Might be keeper. Kind of small. I don't know, it might be keeper. Oh, this one might keep also. Let's see how big this dude is. This one is 14 and a half. Dude, ½ inch too small. Those chompers. The hook got him at. Oh, I wish he was a little bigger. Just a little bigger, he would have went home. Gone. Alright, retying again because that sheephead, I set the hook on him on a rock also. These guys are feeding on the rocks. So I'm gonna retie. Retied. Ready to go. Ooh, got one. Yep. Ooh, that feels like a good one. That might be a keeper. Oh, it does look like a keeper. Fat. He is 14 and a half. Oh, and a keeper. Dang, close one. Fat, juicy. Look at that. Alright, we're gonna keep grinding for him. We need another one. Got to go back in. Ooh, nice and fat. It's a big one. That's a keeper for sure. Keeper, sheeper. Let's go. Let's see if we can get this guy up. That's a big one, guys. Oh, wow. Come on, let's get this guy. My rod broke. Got it. Oh, wow, I broke my rod. My rod broke. Broke my rod, but I got this sheeper. God dang. Anyways, see how big he is. 19-inch sheephead. Broke my rod in a 19-inch sheephead. Wow. Stupid move. Oh well, it's a good fish. Alright guys, so I broke my rod, unfortunately. I'm not happy about it, but it happens. So I'm gonna continue fishing with this broken rod until I run out of bait. We're gonna keep fishing, this ain't stopping us. We're gonna get some more sheepheads if we can. Broken rod or not. Let's go. Can't believe I just broke that rod, my dudes. Feel free to donate for a new rod. Oh, I did have a fish. It feels so weird offshore. One of my last shrimps, guys. I think I might have one more, but I can't believe I just broke my rod on that sheephead. That is a no-no. Wow. All right, guys, I'm packing up now. Fortunately, the bite slowed down. Broke my rod in the process of bringing in that monster 20-inch sheephead. Now, I came out here to the Jetties, guys, today because I had a subscriber asking for a sheepshead video. If there's any videos you guys want to see me, any kind of fish y'all want to see me catch, and if I can make it possible, I'll try to make it happen, guys. Y'all just let me know in the comments below. Anything, any way y'all can let me know. I got an Instagram, I got a TikTok, y'all get at me. All right, folks, I made it back to my parents' house because I decided to share some of this delicious sheephead I caught with them. Got the fillets right here. Gonna make some beer battered sheephead, guys. Got the batter mix here. Got the beer here. It's about to get mixed in. I also got some mushrooms here. About to make some fried mushrooms as well as fried pickles with this sheephead and some fried potatoes, of course. Got the batter mix and the beer mixing up. Got the fillets right here. Fried mushrooms, fried pickles, fried potatoes, and fried sheephead, my dudes and dudettes and fishing folks. All right, this is South Texas Fishing Fam. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. We are out.